Did you know that birds have hollow bones? Yes, you heard it right. This intriguing feature allows them to fly with ease. Now, isn't that a fascinating fact? Birds, these aerial acrobats of the natural world, owe their flight capabilities in part to their unique skeletal structures. Their bones, unlike ours, are hollow, making them lightweight and perfect for soaring through the skies. This lightness doesn't compromise their strength, though. Quite the contrary, the intricate network of struts and trusses within these hollow bones provide an excellent balance of low weight and high strength, a perfect combination for flight. And this, my friends, is just the tip of the iceberg. Birds are a marvel of nature, with an anatomy that's as unique as it is complex. Each organ, each system, each cell playing its part in their survival. Now let's dive deeper into the complex and incredible world of bird anatomy. Starting from the outside, the bird's skin is our first stop. Have you ever wondered what makes birds so unique? It's not just those mesmerizing eyes or the ability to fly, it's actually their skin. Bird skin is much thinner compared to that of mammals, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's fragile. This skin is packed with splendid capabilities. The thinness of the bird's skin aids in reducing weight, a critical factor for flight. It's also highly flexible, allowing birds to perform their acrobatic maneuvers in the sky. Unlike mammals, birds lack sweat glands. Instead, they regulate their body temperature through panting or basking in the sun. Now let's take a leap from skin to feathers, the crown jewels of avian anatomy. Feathers, you see, are not just for show. They serve multiple roles. Contour feathers streamline the bird's body and create an airfoil for flight. Down feathers, the fluffy ones underneath, act as nature's best insulators, keeping our feathered friends cozy during chilly nights. Semi-plume feathers, a mix of the two, provide insulation and help with the bird's contour. And then we have the showstoppers, the flight feathers. These specialized contour feathers, found on the wings and tail, are responsible for the bird's extraordinary ability to fly. They are stiffer and have a strong central shaft to withstand air pressure during flight. What's more, feathers also play a significant role in attracting mates. Just consider the dazzling array of colors and patterns in a peacock's tail, or the striking red crest of a cardinal. These visual cues help birds to attract partners and assert dominance. So, the next time you spot a bird, remember, it's not just a creature with wings. It's a marvel of nature, equipped with a complex system of skin and feathers that aid in survival, flight, and even courtship. From protection to flight, feathers indeed play a vital role in a bird's survival. Moving inward, we encounter the bird's unique respiratory system. This system is a marvel of nature, designed for efficiency and stamina, key attributes that help birds conquer the skies. The respiratory system of a bird is dramatically different from ours. Instead of the simple in and out flow of air that we experience, birds have a complex system of air sacs that allow for a continuous flow of oxygen, even during the exhale phase of respiration. This means birds are supplied with a steady stream of oxygen-rich air, even when they're flying at high altitudes where oxygen levels are lower. Let's talk about the lungs. Bird lungs are significantly smaller than ours, proportionally speaking, but they are far more efficient. They're rigid, not expanding and contracting like ours do. They work in conjunction with a series of air sacs spread throughout the bird's body. These air sacs, usually numbering 9, extend from the lungs into the bones and even the wings. They act as bellows, driving airflow through the lungs. During inhalation, fresh air doesn't only fill the lungs but also the posterior air sacs. When the bird exhales, this stored fresh air is pushed from the posterior air sacs into the lungs. So birds are able to absorb oxygen during both inhalation and exhalation, a feat we humans can only dream of. The respiratory system of birds is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation. It's specifically designed to meet the high metabolic demands of flight, a physically demanding activity that requires a lot of oxygen. This system also enables birds to live in a variety of environments, from sea level up to high altitudes where oxygen is sparse. With such an efficient respiratory system, birds can soar the skies with ease and efficiency. This is just one of the many remarkable adaptations that make birds such extraordinary creatures. So, the next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember, it's not just flapping its wings. It's showcasing a respiratory system that is one of the most efficient in the entire animal kingdom. Next up, we delve into the bird's digestive system. Our journey begins with the bird's beak, a versatile tool designed for survival. Each bird species has a uniquely shaped beak, perfectly tailored to its diet. From the sharp pointed beak of a hawk designed for tearing meat to the short stout beak of a sparrow for cracking seeds. The beak serves as the first step in the bird's digestive process, breaking down food into manageable pieces. From there, the food travels down the esophagus, a flexible tube that connects the beak to the rest of the digestive system. Some birds, like pigeons and doves, even have a special sac along this tube called a crop. The crop is like a temporary storage unit where food can be softened and prepared for further digestion. Next stop in our journey is the gizzard, often referred to as the bird's second stomach. Unlike us humans, birds don't have teeth to chew their food. Instead, they rely on this muscular pouch to do the job. The gizzard contracts and grinds down the food, often with the help of small stones or grit that the bird has swallowed. It's nature's own food processor. Finally, the food moves into the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed to fuel the bird's high metabolism. The intestines of a bird are relatively short, reflecting their diet and the need for speed. In fact, some birds can digest a meal in a matter of hours, a testament to the efficiency of their digestive system. This quick digestion is vital for birds, especially those that fly. It reduces the amount of weight they carry, allowing them to stay nimble and light in the sky. It's a delicate balance, fueling their energetic lifestyle without being bogged down by the very fuel they consume. Such a rapid and effective digestive system is indeed crucial for these energetic creatures. Now, let's examine the bird's powerful heart. It is one of the most fascinating aspects of bird anatomy. The heart of a bird is a marvel of efficiency, built for the high energy demands of flight. It's a four-chambered powerhouse, similar to a human heart, but it beats at an astonishingly rapid rate. Imagine this: a hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1,200 times per minute when it's in flight. That's 20 times per second. This fast heart rate is essential for birds, as their active lifestyles require a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood to their muscles. The heart's four chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles, work in perfect harmony to pump oxygenated blood throughout the bird's body. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and sends it to the right ventricle. From there, it's pumped to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Meanwhile, the left atrium collects freshly oxygenated blood from the lungs and sends it to the left ventricle, which pumps it out to the rest of the body. This efficient system keeps a steady flow of blood moving, delivering necessary oxygen and nutrients to every cell in a bird's body. It's this robust cardiovascular system that supports birds' high-energy activities, from the rapid wing beats of a hummingbird to the long-distance migrations of an Arctic tern. But it's not just about stamina. The bird's heart also plays a crucial role in temperature regulation. Birds maintain a higher body temperature than humans, and their heart helps keep them warm, especially in cold environments. So, whether it's a sparrow darting through your garden, an eagle soaring high above the mountains, or a penguin diving deep into icy waters, remember, each of these birds owes its remarkable abilities to its extraordinary heart and the robust cardiovascular system that supports it. With such a robust cardiovascular system, birds are truly built for endurance. We've just scratched the surface of bird anatomy today. But the beauty of knowledge, like the feathers of a bird, is that it's limitless. It's waiting for you to take flight and explore. The intricate structures, the marvel of nature that birds represent, is a journey of discovery that extends beyond this video. Whether it's the vibrant hummingbird in your backyard or the majestic eagle soaring high above the mountains, every bird carries a world of wonder within them. So why not get out there and observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat? There are plenty of books, documentaries, and online resources that delve deeper into bird anatomy. They'll satiate your curiosity and fuel your passion for these winged wonders. Participate in local birdwatching groups, or even volunteer at bird rescue centers. Remember, the world of birds is as fascinating as it is diverse. So keep exploring, keep learning, and let the birds be your guide.